Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 16.6 new update is out now. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 16.6. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch Safari browser, and in Google we have to search for beta profiles, and we are going to use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Here we have to check the device compatibility, and then we have to tap on iOS 16. On the next page, you will see iOS 16.6 beta. Now we have to tap on install profile, then install. In the next window, we have a pop-up window as well, and we have to tap on allow. Now close, minimize the Safari browser and launch settings. Profile downloaded. Here we have to tap on install, put iPhone passcode, install. Here, if you want to restart your iPhone, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now, tap done. Then go back to settings and general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS 16.6 without computer, jailbreak or any third-party app. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.